Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we practice some bits regarding the lesson Women Empowerment from the 8th class English content. Who is the writer of the story Bonsai Life? Answer Abburi Chaya Devi. Who translated the story Bonsai Life into Telugu language? Answer Alladi Uma. I burst into laughter. Akkaya was perplexed. Identify the antonym of the underlined word. Answer clear. Choose the suitable phrasal verb. The officer is dash the issue. Answer looking into. What is a wretched job? Identify the antonym of the underlined word. Answer worthy. Choose the appropriate meaning for the following. Dash to keep the washerman's account means answer to count clothes. A decade later, identify the synonym of the underlined word. Answer a period of 10 years. According to the lesson Bonsai Life, Akkaya married a village because dash. Answer she was uneducated. Match the following with similar meanings. Answers canopy, a cover fixed over something for shelter. Respite, a short period of rest. Squall, a strong wind. What is the central theme of Bonsai Life? Answer the need to empower women. Hindi dash in many parts of India. Answer is spoken. Listen, somebody dash at the door. Answer is knocking. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Answer she didn't see me. I go out less than I used to. The above sentence can also be written without changing the meaning as dash. Answer: I don't go out as much as I used to. When was Aburi Chaya Devi born? Answer: 1933. According to the lesson Bonsai Life, the writer likes dash. Answer: to receive the letters. Match the following with the similar meaning. Answers: dignified, deserving respect, sumptuous, grand, uphill, difficult, canopy, a cover fixed over something for shelter. I burst into laughter. Akaya was perplexed. Choose the correct antonym of the underlined word. Answer: clarify. Choose the correct false statement according to the lesson Bonsai Life Part 1. Answer: Akaya was not interested to continue her studies. According to the lesson Bonsai Life, Bavagaru chose agriculture as his profession because dash. Answer: his ideals made him choose. Choose the suitable phrasal verb from the following. The chief guest dash prizes to the winners in various competitions. Answer: gave away. Choose the appropriate meaning for the following. Dash like a scorpion under a slipper. Answer: feeling totally suppressed. Choose the appropriate meaning for the following. Dash grass is greener on the other side. Answer. Others are in a better position than us. Akkaya consoled me. Pick out the correct synonym of the underlined word. Answer. Encourage and express sympathy. To neglect work at home and look after office work is an uphill task for a woman. Find out the synonym of the underlined word uphill. Answer. Difficult. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.